Hi, it's Sarah. Thank you so much for joining me today on this cozy fall-like morning. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a little light cleaning. My kids just left for school. It is raining outside and cozy, and I'm just going to get a few things done here around my kitchen, so I thought I'd bring you along with me. I hope this gives you a bunch of cozy fall vibes and maybe gives you a little motivation to get a few things done around the house yourself. So grab yourself a cozy fall drink along with me and let's get some cleaning done. I hope you enjoy and thank you so much for watching. Alright, here we are in my kitchen. My kids just left for school, like I said. It is a cozy fall-like morning. It is raining outside and just feels so good. It's a little cooler and I am just loving it. As you can see, my kitchen is not too bad. I just want to do a little light cleaning before I start my day. First, I want to share with you a few changes I did here on my kitchen island. I did move that big cutting board I had here, and then I kept this big black vase with these beautiful flowers in it. And then I did add this little plus sign. This was from Walmart. I picked up last year. So I just put this right up front. And then I kept this yummy smelling fall candle right here in the middle. I put this wood pumpkin bowl over here in this corner and then placed everything on this wood riser that I have. I just wanted to make everything a little more simple here, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. Then over on this shelf, I placed these little ceramic measuring cups that I found at Dollar General a few months ago. I lost them, I couldn't find them, and then I ended up finding them, so I placed them up here in the middle, and I just think they're so cute sitting up here on this shelf. I wanted to add that a few people said I shouldn't put a candle up here on this shelf, but this is a flameless flickering candle. It is not real, so it is safe. Thank you for your concern, but no worries. Then over here on my chicken wire shelf, I added in this white pumpkin soup bowl that I found at Dollar General also. I do have one in orange, but I picked up this one too because they are just so cute, and they were $5, so you can't really beat the price. So I just placed it over here and I just love it. All right, I'm gonna start with lighting this fall candle to get it smelling like fall here in my kitchen and set the mood, and then we will jump right into cleaning.
shadow in the dark left me with a burning heart. Summer comes and goes, they say, but with you, darling, it only stays. As sure as a new sunrise, forever in your life.
All right, friends, thank you so much for coming along with me as I did a little light cleaning here in my kitchen on this cozy fall-like morning. I hope this maybe gave you some motivation to get a little cleaning done yourself and you enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and for all those who always stay with me here until the end and leave sweet comments down below, I appreciate it so much. Give this video a big thumbs up and please consider subscribing. I would love to have you. There will be more fall content coming your way and you don't want to miss it. And of course, I will be decorating for Halloween and Christmas also, so there will be just a bunch of fun videos coming your way. I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you in the next one. Take care.
As sure as a new sunrise, forever in your life.